Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a project in Asana. So this is very simple method, just follow these steps. First of all, we can see this is the main interface of Asana. So let's begin the topic. So first of all, we will click on create. Now select the project. Now you can choose template here. We will click on blank project. Now you can type project name here. So you can also use list option, board option. You can also use timeline, even you can add calendar. So these all functions are available here. Now we will click on continue. Now you can also select go to project. So this is the simple way to create a complete project in Asana. You can also customize it. You can also add more templates. You can also make list boards, and all the functions are available here. You can even invite more people and add more members on this project. So this is the simple way to create a project in Asana.